In the last episode, we discussed how organizations choose maintenance decision-making strategies, including RCM, TPM, proactive maintenance, and risk-based maintenance. But here's another important question. Once a strategy is chosen, how is it actually implemented? Because strategy on paper means nothing until it becomes daily work, structured systems, and measurable performance. Today, we move from theory to execution. Before we proceed, here is something you should understand. Maintenance is not managed by good intentions. It is managed by systems. In real organizations, maintenance is not just about technicians fixing equipment, engineers analyzing failures, and managers approving budgets. It is a structured operating system that connects all three and more. And when that system is weak, even the best strategy will fail. Step 1. The foundation, asset register, and criticality. Everything begins with visibility. A professional maintenance system starts with a complete asset register, clear asset hierarchy, and criticality ranking. For example, every pump, motor, conveyor, transformer, and compressor must be documented. But documentation alone is not enough. Organizations must ask, which assets are critical? Which failures would stop production? Which failures would risk safety or compliance? This is where engineering thinking meets business reality. Step 2. Maintenance plans. Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, once said, "If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail." At this stage, after all assets have been identified and ranked, maintenance plans should be developed for each critical asset. These plans define preventive tasks, inspection intervals, condition monitoring activities, required skills, and tools. In high-performing organizations like ExxonMobil, these plans are not generic checklists. They are designed based on failure history, manufacturer recommendations, risk analysis, and operational conditions. This is strategy becoming structure. Step 3. The work order system, CMMS. Now we move into daily execution. In professional environments, work is not done informally. It is controlled through a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Some popular computerized maintenance management systems include SAPPM, Maximo, FIIX, and Infor-EAM. The CMMS handles work order creation, scheduling, labor tracking, spare parts usage, and historical data storage. In the field, this looks like assigned jobs. In management meetings, this looks like data. And data is what turns maintenance from a cost center into a controllable function. Step 4. Planning and scheduling. Here is where many organizations struggle because planning and scheduling require discipline, accurate data, and coordination across teams. Without these, even a great CMMS or maintenance strategy will not work. Planning answers what needs to be done, what tools are required, and what spare parts are needed. Scheduling answers two questions. When will it be done, and who will do it? Without planning, technicians become firefighters. With planning, they become professionals. World-class maintenance organizations aim for high planned work, low emergency work, and controlled backlog because predictability reduces cost and stress. Step 5. Execution and feedback. At this stage, work is performed, but execution is not the end. That is why professionals document what was found, what was corrected, what parts were used, and whether the job solved the issue. This feedback improves future maintenance plans, and this is how a maintenance system evolves, not through guesswork, but through learning. Step 6. KPIs and performance monitoring. Now we move to measurement. As Peter Drucker said, what gets measured gets managed. This is why maintenance performance is tracked using KPIs such as planned versus unplanned work ratio, MTBF, mean time between failures, MTTR, mean time to repair, backlog level, and equipment availability. In the field, these numbers reflect workload. In the engineering office, they reflect reliability. In the boardroom, they reflect risk and profitability. The same data, three different perspectives. Now let's connect everything we've learned so far, from strategy to asset ranking, to maintenance plans, to work orders, to execution, to feedback, to KPIs, and finally, improvement. This is how maintenance becomes a management system, and why leadership in maintenance requires more than technical skill. It requires systems thinking. So if you ever get curious or even worried, and you want to know whether your maintenance system is under control or not, this is how to quickly tell. Your system is almost or completely out of control if over 15% jobs are reactive, records are incomplete, failures keep repeating, and stress is constant. But if 80 to 90% jobs are planned, data drives decisions, and root causes are eliminated. Then your system is not just under control, it is on track. Now here is a takeaway for you. If you are a technician, understand that your work feeds a larger system. If you are an engineer, design systems that support execution, not just theories. And if you are a manager, remember that culture and structure determine performance. Maintenance excellence does not happen by accident. It is built. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this content, please give it a like and share it with your team. Subscribe for more practical engineering and maintenance insights. And make sure you watch our next video, Failure Analysis and Root Cause Thinking. Until next time, stay reliable, stay prepared, and keep thinking like an engineer.